Hey guys, welcome back to another episode in our YouTube video. So today I'm going to be explaining the 25% profit score in the best way you can assimilate it. We have people who are having issues in understanding, you're thinking that the rules are complicated to understand. No, they're not complicated. So the purpose of this video is to just help you calculate what you're doing. You don't need to calculate too much. What you just need is this table that you're seeing here that moving around, account size and suggested max daily profits. All right. So either you're trading evaluation accounts or you're trading instant funded accounts. You don't need so much calculation. You just need to follow this rule. So we have a lot of students and clients that are cashing out from this, and we don't want anybody to have a wasted effort. You can't compare Tentrade rules to other rules out there on other platforms. So Tentrade rules is actually the best that you have out there. Some others will even scam you or even have wasted effort. So I don't want you to have any wasted efforts. Okay, so that's the purpose of this video. I'm taking my time to just summarize everything for you, so for you to just follow, so it not be complicated for you. All right, so let's go. So $10,000, you have the suggested max daily profit, which is $250. That is, you're not expected to make over $250 in a day. Okay, so what it means that you can make $250 downward in a day. Okay, whether you open multiple positions, but ensure that your profits, once being added together, does not pass 250. Okay, same thing applies for every other account. And also note that if you're having your account in a drawdown, maybe you're trading a 10K and your account is drawdown, your account is at 9,700 or so, you can actually, the rules, the 25% positive score does not affect it. You can trade, use any lot size. Remember, there's no lot size rules, there's no 3 minute rules, there's no stacking rule. You can use any lot size of your choice. This simple thing is, for the account you're trading, don't shall make above this. It's as easy as that. Good news is that even if you don't make up to 10%, you know that the highest money you can make from any of the accounts, if you are using, is at 10%. That's the highest money you can be able to withdraw. Then you get paid 70%, while Tentrade gets 30%. That is the normal rule that you know. So even if you don't make up to 10%, okay, using 10K as a case study here. So if you couldn't make $1,000, all right, at the end of the trading period, maybe you made $900, you can still be paid. The main thing is, as long as any day you made profit, you did not exceed $250. Yes, some of you might not know this, but know this now. Even if you don't make up to $1,000, maybe 900 or 800, you can still withdraw as long as you did not make $250 in a day, more than $250 in a day. So that's one easy thing. But in a situation whereby you actually violated it, instead of you requesting accounts, because if you request accounts or you request payouts, your account will refresh back to starting balance and you look like wasted effort. Don't want a situation whereby you make up to 1,100 on this account and you go and request a live account or request withdrawal. Once you do that, you have a wasted effort because your account will be reset to starting balance. So instead of you doing that, you just need to find out whether you violated any rule. But like I said, this is a table for you to just follow. Very simple. So if a situation happens that you made 1,100 and you made 1,100 and in that 1,100, your max profit that you made in a day, after checking it, you made above 250. What is the best thing for you to do? Example, one of the days you traded, you made $300. Now, what you need to do is, what is the total profit that will make $300 below 25%? Now, if you check your calculator, the total profit that you need to make that will give you 25% of $300 is you need to make 1,200. So by the time you now check 1,200, the 25% of it will give you 300. So are you saying? So if by any way you actually violated this rule of making above 250, so what you just need to do is to increase your target. Instead of you making 1K, you make 1,200. So that your 300, the 300 that you used to evaluate the initial 25% will now be equal to 25% for that 1,200. You can do this in your calculator and it's simple. So this is the best way to know it. Summary, have this, if you're trading 30K account, just have it at the front of your mind, not at the back, that you shouldn't exceed making 750 in a day on any trade on top of your account, this your starting balance, which is 30K, and not you being a drawdown. If you're a drawdown, the profit score does not apply to it. Now, the next thing before I end this video is at swing traders. I know swing trader might be having issues. I'm going to explain it the best way you can understand. If you swing trade and you now make above 250 in your trade, remember we're using 10K as a case study. You now make 250, above 250, like 300. It's still the same thing that I said earlier. You just need to now increase your target profits for your total target profits. Instead of it to be $1,000, you now increase it to 1,200. So that day that you had $300, I have passed that rule. You have passed the daily profit. That $300 will now be equals to 25% or maybe lesser. So you don't have issues. So instead of it to going through that route, just have this max daily profits at the front of your mind on any account you're trading. That's okay, I shouldn't exceed this trading daily or even swing trading. You can swing trade on a trade that is okay. You can take a trade that you can hold for days, but it didn't get up to 250, maybe 200. It still didn't value the rule. You understand? It's as easy as that. All right, so I think I'm going to stop here. If you have any other questions or any other thing that is not clear to you, you can leave it in the comment section. I'm going to take my time to attend to those things. And if I look at it and I see that it requires me doing another video, there's no problem. I can always do a video. The whole point is you guys should be making money from my channel. All right, that's getting values from my channel and making money for yourself. Okay, so I don't want anybody to be losing money. The goal of trading is to maximize profits and reduce our loss and risks. Okay, so guys, see you in my next video. I love you. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe if you're a new subscriber, and don't forget to leave a comment or maybe you have a question as regards 25 profit score that you're not clear about. You can leave it there, but if you don't have a question, fine, you can drop any comments of your choice that is good and nice. All right, guys, see you in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye.